Behind the musket fire and glory, another battle raged, in blood-soaked tents where surgeons fought to save lives without anesthesia. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. During the Revolutionary War, soldiers feared disease and injury as much as the enemy, because medicine was primitive, painful, and deadly. Musket balls shattered bones, bayonets pierced flesh, cannon fire tore limbs apart, leaving crushed fractures, massive bleeding, and infection. Hospitals were barns, churches, tents, or homes, crowded, filthy, and overflowing with wounded men screaming in pain. Army doctors like Benjamin Rush worked with little training, no anesthesia, no antibiotics, and limited understanding of infection. To stop infection, surgeons amputated limbs, often without pain relief. Speed mattered more than comfort. Survival depended on luck. Smallpox, dysentery, typhus, and pneumonia swept camps. More soldiers died from disease than from combat. Historians estimate nearly 90,000 Americans died during the war, many from sickness, wounds, or medical complications. Revolutionary War medicine was brutal, but it laid the foundation for modern military medicine, paid for in blood and suffering.